Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning and amazing ideas of macrame wall hanging, and you will see different types of unique designs in this video. All of them are lovely. You can see this beautiful pattern made with two contrasting colors of cords, and round shapes are made in whole of this wall hanging, and little fringes are at the bottom which are looking really stunning and attractive. And you will see beautiful contrasting color schemes of wall hanging designs in this video as well. Most of the designs are in single color, but you will see contrasting colors of cords used in these designs as well, and all of them are looking super stunning and lovely. These are unique designing ideas. Every wall hanging is different from each other. You will see semicircle design like this one. Twisted drop designs are included. You will see designs with tassel work. You will see block patterns designs, and other different geometrical patterns are made in some of the other designs as well. And color blocking designs are looking really attractive and stunning in some wall hangings like this one, which is a triangular shape of design looking very stunning, and amazing color schemes are used in it. So all these designs are having uniqueness of their own. You can see this beautiful pattern with leaves, and wooden beads are also added on it. You can see this beautiful circle color block pattern which is also looking very nice, and this one is having beadwork in it, and contrasting colors of cords are used on fringes at the backdrop with a different color which is also looking very lovely. So all different types of ideas are unique and different from each other, and you will see mostly small and medium sized wall hanging in this video, and you can use them at different walls of your home according to their sizes. And you can see this beautiful pattern of triangular wooden frame, and triangular pattern is made at the bottom, and then long fringes are added which are cut on the bottom part in a triangular shape as well, which is also looking very stunning. You can see this beautiful and amazing bubble stitch pattern having different contrasting colors, which is also unique in its own pattern. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and if you want more ideas videos like this and you are new to my channel, just do subscribe and press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and also share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle. You will find all types of home decoration products ideas and wearable accessories ideas on this channel. Stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.